Hello and welcome. I'm Melanie Wong, a UK immigration lawyer with over 20 years experience in UK immigration law. I created this channel to provide educational information involving UK immigration law. The information contained in my videos is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for legal advice. If you have a specific UK immigration matter or have questions that you would like to discuss, please seek legal advice from a qualified UK immigration lawyer, such as myself. For information on how to book a consultation with me, you can find the link to do so in the description below. Please also note that we do not provide free legal advice. I will be posting videos regularly, so please subscribe to my channel and make sure you also enable your notifications so you know when I post a new video. Over the next few weeks, I will be doing a video series focusing on the topic regarding the UK Fiancé visa or proposed civil partner visa. So if you or anyone you know would be interested in this topic, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and also share my videos to your friends and family. I have also put together a free guide on the Fiancé visa, which you can download completely free by clicking the link in the description below. In today's video, I will be answering the question on what is a UK Fiancé visa and can same-sex couples also apply for the Fiancé visa. So a Fiancé visa is a UK immigration application that a foreign national must apply for if they and their partner wish to get married or enter a civil partnership in the UK. For those who wish to get married in the UK, the application would be for a Fiancé visa. And for those who wish to enter a civil partnership, the application is known as a proposed civil partner application. However, the application is generally known as a Fiancé visa. The Fiancé visa and the proposed civil partner application is part of the partner route. In other words, this type of application is governed by the same law for the spouse or the civil partner visa, namely Appendix FM of the immigration rules. This is because the Fiancé visa or the proposed civil partner visa allows the holder to switch to the 5-year partner route from within the UK once they are married or in a civil partnership. What this means in practice is that the requirements for the Fiancé or the proposed civil partner are the same as those for the spouse visa. So who can apply for the visa? Any foreign national, i.e. those who are not British citizens or have settled status in the UK, can apply for the Fiancé visa. Their partner must be a British citizen or a foreign national with a refugee or humanitarian protection immigration status, or settled status, or they are an EU citizen with either a pre-settled or settled status in the UK. If their partner is none of these, for example, their partner is a foreign national with a student or a work permit visa in the UK, then unfortunately they cannot apply for a Fiancé or a proposed civil partner visa. These applicants would instead need to show that they are either married to their partners or that they have lived with their partners for at least 2 continuous years inside and or outside the UK immediately before they submit their application. For same-sex couples, they can apply for the proposed civil partner visa in order to enter a civil partnership in the UK. As many of you know, same-sex marriage is legally recognised in the UK. Therefore, same-sex couples can legally marry in the UK. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you'd also like to receive regular information on UK immigration law and my law firm's services, please subscribe to our newsletter. The information for this is in the description box below. Thank you for watching.